Hello, my name is Dr. Martin Crozier, and I am the Program Coordinator for the new Master of Science in Translational Health Sciences in the Biomedical Science Department at the University of Windsor. I am reaching out to you because you have very generously agreed to supervise one or more of our MSTHS students in their clinical placements. We're very excited to have you host one of these projects and hope that you'll find this partnership or collaboration very beneficial to you. I have 3 agenda items I'd like to cover in this video. 1. I would like to meet with all the principal investigators and or co-principal investigators to update you on the program and to answer any questions you might have as to the process of overseeing one of these projects as principal or co-principal investigator. As simple as this sounds, to meet with all of you, to book one virtual meeting time when there are approximately 30 different PIs and co-PIs would be very difficult. And since there is some basic mundane information I can simply put in this video and provide now, I thought I would present it this way so that when we do meet, we will need much less time. However, I think we should still meet in case there are any questions that you have that are not addressed in this video. There are 4 hyperlinks in the email I sent you. The first was a link to this video. After watching this video, please click on the second hyperlink and register for one of the scheduled webinars I have provided. I've given you 3 options. Ideally, I'd love to achieve 100% attendance, but so long as a representative, i.e. a PI or one of the co-PIs attends one of these sessions, I would be very happy. So please choose one of the webinars to attend. It's okay if you choose a different session than the co-PI in your project. I'm offering these different options just to make sure that everyone can attend one of these and ask any questions they might have. If none of these 3 times work, then I've provided a third hyperlink through which you can book a one-on-one meeting with me. So if you're not able to attend a webinar, or perhaps if you have additional questions you would like to discuss with me following the webinar, then use the third hyperlink to book a virtual appointment with me. Before I explain the 4th hyperlink in the email, let me give you a brief update as to where we are with the program now. Well, the program has started. Our first cohort began classes on May 9th, and we have 23 amazing students in the program. The students are taking 3 or 4 classes depending on how they organize their schedule for the spring-summer. 1, they are taking a professional development seminar which provides them with professional skills such as scientific communication skills, professional networking skills, project planning skills, career developing skills, CV writing, etc. All these skills will be added to an electronic professional portfolio that they will be presenting at the end of the program next year. 2, they're also taking a course in cancer cell biology with Drs. Dora Cavallo-Medved and Lisa Porter. In the fall semester, they'll actually follow this cancer cell biology course up with a Fundamentals of Oncology course. Some of our students are also taking a course this summer called Research Methods. It's offered out of our nursing program, but they are looking at research paradigms and exploring design in the process and evaluation of techniques that are used in clinical research. Those students that do not take that course this summer will take it in the fall semester. And finally, all of our students are currently taking an experiential learning placement course during the summer. In this course, the students are going through the onboarding process so they'll be able to enter the clinical environment in the fall semester starting in September with you. So to onboard the students, obviously we have to take care of some mundane things, such as making sure their COVID vaccines are up to date, that they've completed their confirmation forms to the hospital, they've gone through the necessary health review, which includes a 2-step TB skin test, serology report confirming immunity to measles, mumps, rubella, varicella, and confirmation of the COVID-19 vaccine. And also their vulnerable police clearance letters and the workplace safety board letters from the university. They need to have their confidentiality and computer access forms from the hospital and show that they've completed the clinical student handbook to work at Windsor Regional Hospital and are prepared for their first day of placement with things such as their student ID badge, their student kiosk ID number, parking passes, and COVID screening app, etc. If there are any items that you think should be added to this list particular to your project, please notify me so I can ensure that whatever student is placed on your project has those additional layers of preparation before going into the clinic environment. Beyond the onboarding process, our students will be getting additional training. Grace Park from the Windsor Regional Hospital Office of Research and I have been discussing the ethical training our students need before starting their projects. A course stream has been created and our students will complete over 30 modules of the CITY program from Network of Networks. They will also complete the new TCPS2 core tutorial 2022 this summer. This July, they'll be getting some elementary training in REDCap software. If you feel access to Citrix and or Cerner training is required for your project, please let Grace and or me know. So that's where we are currently. Finally, the fourth hyperlink in the email is an opportunity or a survey, a poll for you to complete. I would like to host a mixer event or a meet and greet social event in which all of the PIs and co-PIs and our MSTHS students can attend to informally gather and socialize and meet one another. I'd like to propose several dates. Currently, the location is not determined, but we are looking at space in Windsor Regional Hospital and or perhaps at the university. My goal is to have 100% attendance from both clinicians and the students. However, in a worst case scenario, I'd like to ensure that there is at least one PI and or co-PI from every project that has been submitted. The purpose of this mixer event will be to give you a chance to answer any questions that students might have about your project and what their tasks might be. Our goal following this social event is to specifically identify which students will be assigned to which projects and to have that determined by mid to late July. Giving the students this one opportunity to meet with you and ask questions late in June or early July will give us enough time to align students with projects. I have provided the students with the descriptions of your projects and asked them to rank each of the projects as to their preference. Nevertheless, they will do this before they actually meet with you, and then following that meeting, I'll have them finalize a list of their preferences. Any input that you would like to give on the selection of students for your projects will be welcome. However, we feel all of these projects are excellent, and we feel that we have an excellent bunch of students for your projects, that both you and our students will benefit by their partnerships and collaboration with you. So again, please do the following. 1. Click on the hyperlink number 2 and register for one of the 3 webinars. 2. If none of the webinars work for you, or you wish to follow up with me following one of the webinars, click on hyperlink number 3 and book a one-on-one appointment with me. 3. Click on hyperlink number 4 and select your preferred dates for the social event. Please say yes to all of the dates that you can actually attend. You can choose prefer for your optimal choice or choices. However, please only select no if you absolutely cannot attend that date and time at all. Please do not select no simply because it isn't your preferred choice. When you select no, you essentially eliminate that option for everyone. So please say yes to all of the dates that you actually can attend and prefer to your optional choices. Only select no if you absolutely cannot attend that date and time. Thank you again for taking time to watch this video. We're very excited to work on these projects, and I look forward to seeing you at one of the live webinars coming up. Have a great day.